given that x equals to minus 5 and y equals to 1 quarter, evaluate square root of minus 5xy. Okay, so we have square root of minus 5xy. Okay, let's replace the variables with the value. So minus 5, x is minus 5, okay, y is 1 quarter. Okay, now let's look at the signs first. So minus multiply or minus will give us plus. So here there's an implicit sign that is plus. So minus into minus is plus, and plus into plus is still plus. Alright, so the final sign here is positive. Alright, so let me write that first. And 5 times 5 is 25, and then you have 1 quarter. Alright, 25 into 1 quarter. Again, you can write this as a fraction, so 25 over 1. Okay, and that means effectively you have numerator times numerator, which is 25, and 1 times 4, which is 4. So that is a square root of 25 over 4. Okay, so when you have the square root of a fraction, when you do the square root of a whole fraction, that is equivalent to the square root of the numerator over the square root of denominator. Okay, so let me write it separately. So if I have a square root of a fraction a over b, it is the same as writing it as square root of a over square root of b. Okay, so this means I can write this as square root of 25 over square root of 4. Okay, and that will be 5 over 2, and as a mixed number is 2.5. So that's the final answer here. Okay, thank you.